Hi everyone and welcome back. I'm Carol Fraser, a plant-based nutritionist and naturopathic guide. And today we're talking about one of the best spring detox herbs, and that's dandelion root. Now, before we get started, a quick reminder, I'm working on Wholesale for All, where you can buy high quality herbs and holistic products at cost price. If this interests you, drop a comment or email me at hello@naturalworkshops.com and I'll send you all the details. Now, let's dive into why dandelion root is a powerful herb for detox, digestion, and skin health this spring. So, why dandelion root for spring? Well, spring is the perfect time for a gentle cleanse, and dandelion root is one of the best herbs for flushing out toxins, supporting liver health, and improving digestion. Did you know dandelion root stimulates bile flow, helping the liver eliminate toxins? It's rich in prebiotic fiber, inulin, which feels good for gut bacteria. Now, it supports kidney function as a natural diuretic, and it's loaded with antioxidants that protect the liver from damage. Now, the key benefits of dandelion root are that it enhances liver function by promoting bile production, which helps break down fats and eliminate waste. A study in the Journal of Alternative and Complementary Medicine found that dandelion root improved liver detoxification and reduced oxidative stress. Now, here's how to use it. Simmer 1 teaspoon of dried dandelion root in 1.5 cups of water for about 10 minutes. Strain and drink it 1 to 2 cups daily for the best results. Now, dandelion root boosts digestion and gut health due to it being rich in inulin, a prebiotic fiber that feeds beneficial gut bacteria and improves digestion. It also helps relieve bloating, constipation, and sluggish digestion. To support good digestion and gut health, grind the dandelion root to a powder and add it to smoothies or drink as a tea before meals. Now, by flushing toxins from the liver, dandelion root helps reduce acne, eczema, and skin irritation as it's high in antioxidants like beta-carotene and polyphenols, which combat inflammation. So check out the description below to find organic dandelion root and get 50% off your first purchase. So thank you so much for watching. And if you found this episode helpful, highlighting dandelion root to cleanse and revitalize naturally, please give it a like and share these videos with others, and don't forget to subscribe and hit that notification bell so you don't miss out on more weekly content for your ultimate well-being. So let's keep the conversation going and share your experience using dandelion root in the comments. So stay happy, be healthy, and always be wise.